Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to make this beautiful and super easy beanie hat for you. I made that for child size and I used a worsted weight yarn and 4.5mm hook for the brim and 5mm for the body. This hat is a bottom-up hat and we first make the brim of the hat and then start the body around the long edge of the brim. If you're ready, let's get started. I start this hat from the brim of the hat, so with smaller hook, make one slip knot and then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, I should make one half double crochet into all of these chains, so skip the first chain, yarn over, go to the second chain, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull through these 3 loops on the hook. Again, yarn over, go to the next chain and make one half double crochet here and repeat that work. Make one half double crochet into next chain and one half double crochet into each of next chains until the end of the row. Now I have 9 half double crochets in total. Make one chain and turn the work to start row 2. In this row, make the first stitch under both loops of the first stitch of previous row, yarn over, insert a hook under both loops of that, and make one half double crochet. And after that, make back loop only half double crochet into each of next middle stitches, yarn over, insert the hook into back loop of this stitch, not under both loops, and make one half double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into back loop of next stitch. Don't make half double crochet here. You should make half double crochet into this back loop of each stitch and repeat this sequence. Make one back loop only half double crochet into each of next middle stitches. And at the end, make one half double crochet under both loops of last stitch. And row 2 is finished. Make one chain, turn the work, and repeat this row, row 2. One half double crochet into first stitch under both loops, and one half double crochet into back loop of each of 7 middle stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then make one half double crochet under both loops of last stitch. Row 3 is finished, and this is my work at the end of this row. After that, again make one chain and turn the work and repeat this row. Actually, we should make row 3 or row 2 several times to have a long band with these rows, and the number of these rows should be a multiple of 2. So I will make this row 2 several times until the length of this band reach the desired circumference, and then I'll come back. Okay, after making 40 rows of half double crochets, the length of my band has reached the desired circumference, and now I should join the last row to the first row. So fold the band in half and put these 2 rows together, make one chain, and join each stitch of last row to front stitch from row 1. Insert the hook into first stitch under both loops of that, and then go to the first stitch of row 1 into remaining loop of that and make one slip stitch. Again, go to the next stitch under both loops of that and into front stitch from row 1 and make one slip stitch. One more time, insert the hook into next stitch and into front stitch from row 1 and join them together. and we should continue this work. Join each stitch of last row to front stitch from row 1 with slip stitch. And now this is the last stitch, don't ignore that, and front stitch of row 1 and make one slip stitch. And now I should turn the work and see this invisible join. And these slip stitches are placed inside the hat, and I made one circle with that band. And now I should start the body of the hat around this edge. So remove the hook and insert the larger hook and make one chain. And after that, make one single crochet into this space here and go at top of first row of the brim here. Make one single crochet under these 2 loops, hide this tail through the work, and make one single crochet into this space at top of this line between these 2 bars. Again, one single crochet at top of next row of the brim, one single crochet at top of next row under these 2 loops from last stitch, and then one single crochet at top of this line into this hole, and repeat that work. Actually, we should make 3 single crochet for each 2 rows of the brim. One single crochet at top of next row, one single crochet at top of next row, and one single crochet into this hole at top of this line. And repeat that work. Make 3 single crochet for each of 2 rows of the brim. And continue this sequence until the end. Round 1 is finished and I have 60 single crochets. And I should make one slip stitch into first single crochet. Then start round 2 with 3 chains as 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochets into same stitch, the first stitch, the base of this chain 3. So yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch, make 1 double crochet, and again yarn over, insert the hook into same stitch and make 1 double crochet. After that, skip next 2 stitches and go to the next, make 3 double crochet here, 1, 2 and 3. Again, skip 1 and 2 stitch of previous round and make 3 double crochets into next stitch, 1, 2 and 3. One more time, skip 2 stitches and make 3 double crochets into next stitch, 1, 2 and 3. And we should repeat that sequence. Skip 2 stitches and make a group of 3 double crochet into the third stitch and continue until the end. Now at the end of round 2, I should skip the last 2 stitches of previous round and make 1 slip stitch into third chain of these beginning chains. And after that, make 1 slip stitch between this chain 3 and next double crochet into this space. Insert the hook into the space and make 1 slip stitch, and we should start round 3 from here. Make 3 chains as 1 double crochet, and after that make 1 double crochet front post around the second double crochet of this group. Yarn over, insert the hook around the stitch from front to back to front and make 1 front post double crochet. And after that, make 1 double crochet into this space between the second and the third stitch, not here at top of the third stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the space between these two stitches and make 1 double crochet. Then go to next group and make 1 double crochet between the first and the second stitch of that, here, not here at top of the first stitch. Insert the hook here into this space, make 1 double crochet, and then 1 front post double crochet around the second double crochet, and 1 double crochet between the second and the third stitch, here into the space. One more time, go to the next group, 1 double crochet here into this space, not at top of the first stitch. Insert the hook here into the space between first 2 stitches, make 1 double crochet, then make 1 front post double crochet around the second double crochet, and 1 double crochet here into this space between the second and the third stitch. And repeat that work. 1 double crochet into the space, into the first space between first 2 stitches, 1 front post double crochet around second stitch, and 1 double crochet into the second space between the second and the third stitch, and continue this sequence until the end. Round 3 is finished, and again I should make 1 slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains, and then go between first 2 stitches and make 1 slip stitch, and start round 4 from here with 3 chains as 1 double crochet. Then make 1 front post double crochet around this front post double crochet of previous round, and 1 double crochet between front post double crochet and double crochet into this space. Again, go to the next group and make 1 double crochet between first double crochet and next front post. Then make 1 front post around the front post of previous round, and 1 double crochet between the front post and next double crochet. One more time, go to the next group, 1 double crochet here, 1 front post around the front post, and 1 double crochet here into the space after front post. And repeat that work. We should continue this sequence. Make 1 double crochet into the space, 1 front post around the front post, and 1 double crochet into next space, and continue this sequence until the end. And at the end, make 1 slip stitch into third chain of these beginning chains, and then repeat this round, round 4. Actually, we should continue making round 4 and repeating that until reach the desired height for the hat. I repeated round 4 11 more times, and now the height of my hat is enough, and I should decrease the top of the hat. After joining to third chain of beginning chains, made 1 chain, and now I should make 1 single crochet into same stitch, the first chain 3, and then make 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches. Insert the hook into front loop of next front post double crochet, and directly go to the next stitch, insert hook into front loop of that, and yarn over, pull through these 2 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. That's an invisible decrease single crochet, and then I should repeat these 2 stitches. Make 1 single crochet into next stitch, and 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches. Again, 1 single crochet into next stitch, 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches. One more time, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease single crochet, and repeat this sequence for other stitches until the end. Now at the end, make 1 slip stitch into first single crochet, start next round with 1 chain and 1 decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches. Insert the hook into front loop of each of these 2 stitches, and yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through next 2 loops on the hook. Again, make 1 decrease single crochet. One more time, make 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches and continue this work until the end of the round. We should decrease each 2 stitches of previous round together and repeat that work until the end. After joining to first decrease stitch, make 1 chain and you can repeat this round one more time. Decrease first 2 stitches together with 1 decrease single crochet. Again, decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches and continue this work. If you want to make this hat for adult size, you can repeat this round 1 or 2 more times to have a small hole at top of your hat, and after that close the hole. Now I should repeat this sequence until the end. Now I have a small hole at top of the hat and I should fasten off and cut the yarn and close this hole with same yarn. I closed the top of the hat and then attach a pom-pom, and you can see this beautiful and easy beanie hat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.